Responsive Library Project by Jillian Smith. I am interning at the Hills Preschool located in Phoenix, Arizona. It is set up as a Reggio Emilia setting focusing on children who are 3 years old. I have assessed a total of 52 books shown here on the slide. Main characters. In this slide, you will see female characters, male characters, and non-human characters. For female, I found that there were 12 female characters, 17 male characters, and 38 non-human characters. In the non-human characters, there are 9 male and 3 female. The rest was hard to tell if they were male or female. Setting. On this slide, you will know about the settings in the books. These graphs show that there is only 1 desert, 13 rural, 16 suburban, and 3 urban areas. I find it interesting how only one book was one that had a desert. Since we live in Arizona, I think it's important for children to learn more about where they live. Race/main characters. I found that 17 was the highest of characters, which were white. Second, black, which was 8. 7, Asian, and 1 for Latinx characters being the 4th. From this data, it was very similar to the main characters shown on the right. It shows that there is a lack of diversity in the books inside the classroom, based on the graphs. Disabilities in language other than English spoken. I found that in my data there was only 2 books that spoke other than English language, which was Spanish and Chinese. My second finding was only 1 book with a child with disabilities. I wish there were more books of disabilities to teach children to become more aware of what it is and what they are. Lastly, I was impressed to see books representing other languages, but I hope to see more in the future. Demographic of the class. At my placement, there are only 8 students inside the classroom. 6 are male and 2 are female students. There is only 1 race other than white, which is Latinx. Lastly, all students live in suburban areas and is the only child or has 1 or more siblings at home. Conclusion. After collecting data, I feel that there needs to be more books on diversity representing disabilities, culture, and family backgrounds. I found that there are more animal books than humans, and it is important to expose children with real-life topics